Welcome to Champered. I'm Jessa, and here we discuss all things 3D printing. This video is a quick follow-up to my last video where I made this arcade-style shell for my PS5. I know I said I won't be making V2 anytime soon, but it didn't take long to realize I made some fatal flaws in my original design, so here we go. The first thing I'll be addressing is how I skipped some buttons, thinking that the game doesn't need all of them, but in reality, the game does need all the buttons, so I'll have to go back and add the missing ones in. The second thing is, these special command keys in the corners, they're way too stiff, and there's no way I'll be able to press them during an actual gameplay, so I'll be replacing those. And lastly, since I'm redoing the whole case, I'll be making it a little bit bigger to make it more comfortable to use. Alright, here's the new case. I think I spent about half an hour in the software making the tweaks, and the actual print time was about 4 hours, I want to say. The steps and the considerations are identical to what I said in the previous video, so I won't bore you with that. But let's go down the checklist. We have the bigger case, check. We have more buttons, check. And are the special keys better? Let me explain. Here's an example of a normally closed switch that I used in my previous build. The circuit is closed by default, and when you press it, the circuit is open. And here's the arcade button that I wanted to use, but I couldn't use it because the configuration is the opposite, and they only sell these in this configuration. And here's a limiter switch that combines the functionality of these two. So I was thinking, can I use this? The spring is not too hard, so maybe. Okay, I managed to open the button up and extract this out. By the way, if you're in the market for arcade buttons, don't buy one of these. Like, if you look at the legs, they look like this. They're super crappy. Get different ones. Anyway, the question is, can I fit this in the shell now? I don't know, maybe. It took me a couple of hours, but watch. This is what I want. Welcome back. I took a couple of hours to install everything off camera, and here we are. V2 is done. There's no more missing buttons, they're all there, and the special command keys, they work correctly now, or more smoothly, I should say. One thing I want to mention is that I was able to reuse all of the parts from the previous build, meaning all the wires, all the button switches and whatnot, they're all in here now. So, you know, it feels good to minimize waste. It's a short video, but I hope you got something out of it. My takeaway working on this project is learn the game before you start making a controller for it. Okay, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.